These are reusable paper towels. You just clean, rinse, and repeat. They come with a little hook that you can hang your towel after you're done using it, and it's very easy to install. You just peel the back and press it to your surface. This pack comes with 2 paper towels. They're fast drying. They dry 5 times faster than the normal dishcloths, and they're machine washable as well, and they can go in the dishwasher or the washing machine. They're made from paper and wood fiber. They are highly absorbent, and each cloth can replace 17 paper towels. They're suitable for washing dishes and drying surfaces, and they can replace traditional kitchen towels. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try.